Today, I am telling you the secret to a successful keto diet. Are you ready? Come closer. A little closer. Oh, no, not that close. It's muffins. No, seriously, hear me out for a second. I have been doing this low-carb keto thing for over a decade. And one of the things that helps me stay on track is having some of my keto muffins available at all times. They're great in the freezer, they're great to take traveling, they are great for a quick breakfast when you're rushed. Honestly, muffins are the answer. So today on All Day I Dream About Food, I'm showing you how to make Keto Morning Glory Muffins. So let's start with our dry ingredients. The first thing we want to do is add 1.5 cups of almond flour. Then we're going to add half a cup of sweetener. I like to use Swerve Brown in these for added flavor. 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of whey protein powder, which helps it rise properly. You can also use egg white protein, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll whisk those in and break up any clumps in the almond flour and the sweetener. Part of the appeal of Morning Glory muffins is that they take a lot of what I like to call inclusions. They have a lot of goodness in there. So they have things like shredded coconut, chopped nuts, raisins, I have a keto sub for that, and other delicious things. So we're gonna put in some of those as well. I am adding 1/3 cup of shredded coconut. You can use flaked coconut too. 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts. You can use pecans instead. 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, and 1/4 cup of my homemade sugar-free dried cranberries, and I've chopped those up a little more finely. And mix those in to get good distribution throughout the dry ingredients. Now we're ready to move on to our wet ingredients. So I have 4 large eggs, and half a cup of melted butter. Morning Glory muffins typically include some carrot and some apple. Now for the carrot, I am actually adding some carrot. Don't call the keto police on me, it's only half a cup. And it adds barely any carbs, but it gives a little authenticity. But instead of apple, I'm adding in some shredded zucchini. So, half a cup of lightly packed shredded carrot, finely shredded, and half a cup of shredded zucchini. Now, if any of these inclusions don't appeal to you, you can switch it up. You could replace the carrot with a little more zucchini, whatever works for you. So we'll stir everything in until well combined. And at this point, our batter is going to be a little too thick to start putting into our muffin cups. So we're going to add a little water, and you just want to do this by feel until you have a nice scoopable batter. And that's looking really good. It is nice and thick, but it's still scoopable. When baking keto muffins, I always recommend parchment or silicone baking liners. Keto batters have a tendency to stick a little, and paper liners, you're gonna lose half your muffin. This recipe makes 16 Keto Morning Glory muffins, and you wanna fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full. And I like to use a large cookie scoop for this because it helps me get it into the muffin pan with less mess. Now we're ready to bake these suckers. They go in at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. You want the tops to be golden brown and just firm to the touch. And our Keto Morning Glory muffins are out of the oven. They smell amazing, and I have let them cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we can try one and dig in. See how nicely it comes out of the parchment paper liners? We'll break this guy open and look at all that goodness inside. We've got cranberries, we've got walnuts, I can see a little bit of coconut in here. This is a glorious morning muffin. Give it a little taste. Ooh, I need another bite. This keto muffin is delicious, and it's a glorious way to start your day. For more delicious keto muffins and other secrets to the keto diet, check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.